Secret footage. Yo, what the fuck? I don't know how to do this shit. Dick. Let me fucking put it in fucking... Alright, I actually knew how. Holy fuck, sweating cock. Back in this kid's Subi, let's see what it hits for. What is this shit, deer? Oh, dude, fuck.
Testing.
AC lives matter.
System ready.
Fucking Subi life. It's been a while, boys. See what boost hits for. Sure. Damn, I haven't used this GoPro in so long. I'm downloading the app. Oh, that's broke. Alright. I can just hope I got a good angle. So if I'm driving like this. Going in blind with the angles, but who cares? Boost is boost. Damn, I'm fucking short. There we go. Fuck, man, I don't know how to drive this car. Ow. No backup camera light. Yeah. Holy fucking, I'm not used to this. Alright. Go get my boy some E85. Alright, I'm afraid to jump in traffic, I might stall. Fucking Subi Mike, baby. Hit some AC wastegate hits. Fun fact, I never drove a Subi with external wastegate. I dreamed of one. Dude, this is fucking on deck. Ah, might as well, just curious. Yo, I love you. Sheesh. That actually scared me. U-turn off. Come on, move.
Alert.
Might as well let the fans eat real quick. This fucking thing kicks ass! That guy was staring. Alright, Connor, I gotta change your mirrors before I crash your fucking rig. Can't see anything. Holy fuck. Big horsepower. Damn. This fucking car came a fucking long way. Yo, landscaping. Look at them. It's my day off. You're right, I'm still working. Yo, look at this fucking guy over here. Dude's got fucking natty daddies. Getting hot dogs. I'm bringing it back. I might have to give the fucking trooper some wastegate. Be like, hi Corey. Alright, they like it too. Damn. See if the GoPro app fucking loaded. See if I'm getting good angles. Holy fucking shit, wastegate's kick ass! Come on. Fuck. Ah, the Bluetooth turned off. Fuck off! Alright, just going raw dogging. Anyway! Oh, there's a fucking pop tune. I was like, yo, I fucking know how to shift this fucking thing, huh? Oh, I forgot. Alright. There. This is the most addicting thing I've done in a while. I might have to sell my fucking landscaping business, buy Subi. Watch, this girl's kind of scared. Or not. Hey.
King alert.
Kids don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah. What am I doing? 30 bucks. I don't even know how to use that fucking thing. I was using my card.
I was here first, so you gotta back it up a little bit, bro.
Yo, get behind me. I'll be quick. Get behind me. I'll be quick. Fuck it.
Alright, good for you. Back it up so I can move my car. So, what do you not get? I was here first. You gonna argue with me? Back up your car, bro. Cuz, I use E85. I don't use regular gas. What do you not get? Back it up.
Come on, man. What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
The fuck? Oh, now easy?
What are you thinking, bro? Come
I
on.
was here first. And like,
No, I'm with you, bro. I'm with you. Yeah. I kind of perfect timing.
I saw the chest one. I never seen the head one.
Yeah, this one's cool. The chest one, you don't get to see like the roads. You can't like get like the.
I just like the visual.
Yeah, of course,
like
of course.
Like a video game.
Yep. This isn't. So fun fact, this isn't even my car. My buddy owed me money. He's like, yo, can you just put gas in my car really quick? And I was like, didn't you put a wastegate on this? And then he's like, yeah. I was like, all right, cool. I'll take it. What's good with? I've seen these things are fucking crazy, huh? What'd you do to this? You did like.
That's a 340. Yeah, they're like. When I first bought it, nobody respected them. You know, what I mean? Like another 3 Series, but now that like everybody's like, oh, those are crazy engines.
Yeah, no.
Everybody's like, bro, you got a 340.
I've seen this all these kids been by like just hopped on the wagon, man.
I got
Well, that's
full bolt on.
Yep,
and
yep.
then I got a high pressure pump,
okay.
so I can run E and stuff like that.
Nice.
And then but I don't run a full E because it's a commuter car, so I usually
Yeah.
run 93.
Yep. Yep.
But I do an E40 mix.
Okay. Yeah.
Plus my boy runs E40. I mean E85.
Yep.
He's gotta get his injectors blown out, tested it like once a year.
Really?
His spark plugs.
Really. I did the.
It's like messy, you know what I mean? It's like a real messy gas.
Yeah. I have a 15 SI, and I did the flex fuel kit. I did full bolt-ons on that too.
I don't know the guy.
Yep.
But there's a guy with a white Ford LS swap. I think it's LS2.
Okay.
Tinted, so you can't see inside, but it's completely gutted.
Yep.
2 seats.
An LS2 in there.
And an LS2. I think that's the only one that would fit.
Yep.
I don't know if this is right, but I think he has the CRV kit.
Okay.
Where it makes it all-wheel drive.
Yep.
I'm not sure about that.
No, that sounds about right
but,
though.
I saw him once. I talked to him for like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So I gotta go. Not next week, bro. It sounded like a Corvette compared to my car. And
No
I'm
shit.
like, yeah.
And you're like, yo, is that a fucking?
Usually I'm
No,
the
dude,
one
the fab and work on that shit, that like mind boggles me, man.
Yeah, I mean, if you get like, I'm sure you got like a junkyard engine.
Yeah.
They're so cheap.
But for sure, but like just the
Or like
fabrication of the all-wheel drive and all that shit, the axles.
You can't do that in your garage.
No. But yo, I'm like,
Walter, I'm
Walter.
usually around here like Saturdays and Fridays. I go like to the meets around here. and
okay,
stuff.
all right, no doubt.
But you didn't hear from me that I have a high pressure pump.
Yeah. Don't worry about that. Be good, bro. Oh, just getting gas. This place is fucking screwing right now. Alright. Let's give the people what they want. Give the people what they fucking want, Ricky. Man, if this thing stopped recording, I will be hurting. Let's see. Ah, we got it all, baby.
Hello?
Yo, getting the job done, it looks like. Oh. Alright, we're done. False alarm. I'm like a fucking Subi rumble, and I've been doing all these rips with AC on, kids. Not like a fucking good old Subi. Same fucking hits, buddies. Yo, J5 approves. Fuck, man. See the smiles that cars put on my face? Fucking kick ass. Damn. Oh man. Let's see. Max boost, 21 pounds. Fucking badass.